Bullish Gala cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 13 cents and 29 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept Gala could reach 13 cents by 2025. Bearish Gala market cost expectation for 2022 is 2 cents. Gala presentation. A concentrate by pattern spotting organization Gartner saw that as 20% of people draw in at least 1 hour consistently playing, considering, or working in the metaverse. Gala Games is a cryptographic money that is currently strategically situated to create and benefit from that forthcoming pattern. We should take a gander at specific factors to consider that could uphold these Gala estimating conjectures. What is Gala? The essential resource in the gaming environment, and buying in-game things is Gala, the utility badge of Gala Games. Gala Coin is a fundamental part of Gala Games, and clients can use it by working at Gala Hub anyplace in the Gala Games organization. Gala members will regardless require a permit to work a hub, empowering them to acquire grants and NFT from their own computers. The main issue is that this permit will hamper you $13,000 in ETH, BAT, or Gala. Moreover, 50,000 hubs are equipped for participating all the while. Gala is an assortment of games that clients of the site might get to. The games here are allowed to play, and clients might possess all the game stuff, dissimilar to different stores where players should pay to play the games. Gala Essential Examination. Gala contrasts from other play-to-procure gaming frameworks controlled by blockchain in various unmistakable ways. Gala includes a coordinated store that significantly works on the purchasing, selling, and acquiring of in-game products through its implicit commercial center for players. It is a BEP20 resource in light of the Binance Shrewd chain. This brings down the exchange costs related with utilizing Gala tokens. Gala has a sizable local area that controls the stage's situation and picks which games to incorporate. It has a stunning 1.3 million plus month-to-month clients. The drawn-out cost of Gala has been positive as the token expanded to an unsurpassed high of 80 cents. The coin has filled in esteem from its creation in 2019 to $0. Following this sticker cost, the token dropped as low as $0 to ascending to $0 cost. Most of site's cost expectations for Gala are positive, and apparently soon the normal worth of the Gala token will ascend past $1. Gala Specialized Examination. This year, Gala has been on a descending winding. The most recent couple of days have seen a flood in exchange action for Gala. The force is as yet continuing forward, as indicated by the William Kroc patterns. Gala's histograms exhibit powerless cost force. There are no indications of a cost inversion in the 14-day RSI. Gala current cost. Gala is as of now worth 2 cents USD. Gala has moved 0.74% as of now with an exchanging volume of $149,374,608. Gala is as of now positioned 119 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $222,197,656 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Gala to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Gala market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Gala Value Expectation 2022. Gala, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Gala cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 4 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 4 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Gala is supposed to have a base worth of 3 cents. Gala Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Gala cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Gala will before long outperform 7 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Gala's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Gala will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 5 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 6 cents. Gala Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 10 cents and Gala might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Gala is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 9 cents and a low of 8 cents in 2024. Gala Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Gala effectively helps market feeling among digital money lovers, the Gala coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Gala will be green in 2025. The Gala is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 13 cents, with a base cost of 11 cents and a typical cost of 12 cents. Gala Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Gala cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 15 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 14 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Gala has a most extreme value worth of 16 cents. Gala Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 18 cents. In the event that Gala figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 19 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Gala needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 17 cents. Gala Value Expectation 2028. While Gala is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 20 cents and a yearly cost close above 22 cents in 2028. Gala Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Gala will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 23 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 25 cents. Averaging out at 24 cents. Gala Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme Gala cost in 2030 is projected to be 29 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 28 cents. And the choice of first-class games in the Gala biological system continues to extend. These incorporate the Insect, Town Star, and Legends Renewed tanks. All games that are transferred to the Gala portfolio are looked into by the Gala DAO, casting a ballot framework. Gala has underscored the common financial matters of blockchain gaming as a key selling point. At the hour of gathering this report, Gala has lost over 85% of its worth. The worth of in-game things and prizes has been altogether affected by this. As indicated by crypto-specialized research, Gala will be very productive during the forthcoming bull run. The Gala is expected to outperform its record high. What is the Gala cost today? Today, Gala is exchanging at 2 cents with a complete market capitalization of $222,197,656. Is Gala a wise venture? Gala ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is shrewd to say that Gala is a decent decision of venture. How high might Gala at any point go? The typical cost of Gala might perhaps reach 4 cents this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Gala might outperform 19 cents. What amount will Gala be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising fame of digital currency and Gala, a drawn-out